Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are into the final lecture of this unit, emotional intelligence. So final lecture, to be honest. So in this unit we'll be looking into the cons of emotional intelligence and different ways to develop EI among the civil servants. So first let's look into the cons of emotional intelligence. Lower levels of creativity and innovation potential. See, there is always a negative correlation between the EQ and many of the traits, like which bring in creativity and innovation, like hostile impulsivity, non-conformism, artistic moodiness. So these things, along with excitable personality. See, when you get high levels of EQ, say it eventually brings down your creativity and the potential for innovation. Difficulty giving and receiving negative feedback. See, people with a high EI have empathetic concern. See, it will be very difficult for them to get their own negative feedback or get their critical feedback. Um, and like it is very difficult for them uh, to adjust to surroundings. I mean, which will eventually be difficult for them to adjust to surroundings, and also their feedback will be like quite difficult to get because of their high EQ. A well developed ability to manipulate others. High EQ person may help a person to empathize and deliver a message which feels right to the audience. However, it should also be known that those persons will be very high in manipulating others. They know the nuances to manipulate others. So, it might sometimes bring in bad intention to be overly persuasive and get their way. Like a good example we can cite here is Adolf Hitler used his emotions to manipulate his followers and create his ill wave against the Jews. So that is something which is it's a cons of EI. Now, what are the different ways to develop EI among the civil servants? Recruitment. Recruitment for the civil servant should incorporate testing of behavioral competence. See, you should not just randomly pick someone or just with some basic tests, you should not appoint someone. There must be some tests for their behavior, or some coaching must be given for that, and eventually they must be recruited. Training. Training should also incorporate like broader dimensions of improving the social, emotion, and ethical competence, like learning from the past, getting involved in more field training, and mentoring. These will train the civil servants to deal with different situations. Support. Encouragement and peer support can assist with lasting change and positive development of EI competencies. See, you might be a brilliant person, but without a support, it's very, very difficult for you to grow. So that support is very much required. Work culture. See, work culture should be like with conducive environment for decision making, like unnecessary control should be eliminated, like frequent transfer or posting should be reduced, and also it should be encouraged to take innovative decisions. Government support. Government in long run should indirectly influence in process of socialization through various activities like yoga, meditation, sports. See, these all help in development of EA among civil servants. See, to conclude with the unit, see, we have widely discussed about and debated about different fields with respect to EI, which can be used in psychology, education, business. See, we should know that it leads to numerous benefits, but also few have concerns. So it should be dealt properly with restricted restrictions and with a symbol of respect for others point and taken forward. So with this we end this unit, guys. Hope you understood the entire unit. The notes will be provided in the Telegram channel, and keep supporting. Do watch the channel, comment your doubts. We'll help them with clearing that. Thank you. We will resume with the next unit soon. Thank you.